Welcome to OBDSync. I'm Jason. In today's episode, we're going through how to program a Pontiac G8 body control module to go from automatic to manual. So go ahead, click on the vehicle button, go to the body control module tile, and it will go through and load up the licensing manager, which you can process through. Then go to the flashing tab along the top. We'll then see we have that configurable options tab, and we have that one option for transmission type. We're going to drop down from automatic to manual. Make sure that you have a battery maintainer fitted as we see here, and then ready, click on write. This is then going to download the required files for that vehicle along with our alteration for the automatic to manual. We'll then begin the programming sequence and then start flashing in the required files. Once that's all done, we'll have a pop-up indicating that it's completed, that we need to do an ignition cycle, and then to clear all fault codes. So go ahead and click on OK. We can then go to the DTCs, we can read and clear any faults that are there, and after that, we're all completed. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.